I am going to show you how to create reflection in Photoshop. Right-click on the background layer, then select Duplicate Layer. Choose the Crop tool to increase the bottom for the reflection if needed. Select the Rectangle Marquee tool. Make a selection around the extra area. Then right-click, select Fill and Content Aware, and just click OK. Select the Quick Selection tool to select the object that you want to reflect. Go to Edit, copy, then paste. Click on keyboard Ctrl+T for PC or +T for Mac. Right-click, select Flip Vertical, and then right-click, choose Warp. Then click Check Mark. Then select Gradient, drag to make a line. Then lower the opacity. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and decrease it. And you can see we make it.